Good morning. It's a little late. It's 9:48. I'm here in time for the macro. I marked out a little stuff, like a little shit, but I haven't really looked at the market. We did hit all-time highs, and today is CPI. Um, so let's just start off with the daily. We swept that weekly high, so we're trading at all-time highs. Honestly, that just makes me bullish. Like I don't see us taking out weekly low and then or weekly high and then going back down a weekly low in this fair value gap. I don't really think that's gonna happen. Or maybe Tuesday will be the high of the day. Like maybe this is high of the day or high of day. Who knows? I'm just gonna have to reprice and see what looks good. But we're above everything, so not gonna lie. Looking for shorts wouldn't be necessarily bad. Let me actually delete this now. We have this imbalance here, and we'll just call it sell side. We're actually ended on ES already. That's actually an SMT. Um, Thicker than water. Boom, dun, 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 dun. So even at 9:30, I don't really see that I missed anything. Guess what? We also have an S&T here. ES took out this loan, NQ hasn't. So that's an SMT. Plus a double SMT, actually. Damn, so maybe longs don't look bad right now. But I don't know if I would enter anything unless we enter. No, that's okay. I kind of like this SMT. Um, I don't know though if it's enough to enter off of. It's really not. Because like normally I would wait for a fair value gap or something, but lately, for a very long time, that has not been working out for me. I don't really, I mean, we could mark out this 5 minute, because if I'm in a trade, maybe we can go break even if we're entered above here or below. Let's see. What? No, let's go down to the seconds chart. Okay, maybe if we inverse that 30 second, it'd be a pretty quick break even though. And honestly, I want to see a break on both pairs. So it already did on ES. So I got bit right fucking here, like on my lat, and it kind of fucking hurts. I got bed bugs. No, I don't. I got bit outside. I got bit on Saturday when I was fucking in the pool. Some motherfucker bit me. Some shit. Let's see what people are doing on the social media space. This guy's in longs already, and he's down a lot. This guy's not in anything. Yeah, that might be a strat. This guy has an order block marked out potentially. That's gonna happen. If we close above these highs here, we would have an order block. It's 1 minute. If we close above here, this is an order block. So, I mean, chat, we're at all-time highs. We had 8:30 news. I don't know if there's news later. No. Wait, where are we? Here. So there is no news the rest of the day. Just a yellow folder. Tomorrow's PPI though. So we're gonna fucking take a trade today. I'm feeling it. 15 minute is still holding. 30 minute, everything. The hour. We did take out this 4 hour low, but we already took out we took out both. Thought maybe we had a CRT or something forming. Nope. 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 We took out both the high and the low. You know, macro going on right now, and there's not anything really happening. I mean, we're just moving sideways. Like, and you could be in a long right now. Um, we're just kind of going down right now. All right, Chai. So instead of just sitting here for a while, staring at price, we'll get off. Um, we'll get off video or whatever, and I'll just see you guys if I take a trade. And that is an if, because I mean we are at all-time highs, so we might be a little funky. Like if we're just gonna ping pong back and forth here, I'm not gonna trade, but I gotta be able to, tell that we're gonna wait. I don't even know what the session's liquidity is. Shit, we took out London. Before we end, let's just do this. We have London low all the way down there. Look, ones. But is Asia gonna be low of day? Is it in a higher time frame for that value gap? It is. It's in that 4 hour. That might be low of day. So if we really are bullish, we're not gonna hit Asia low. And like if we're gonna short, I kind of want to see if this hourly candle closes like this. I don't think that's not short to me. It's still bullish, but unless we get something nice on the 1 minute, like maybe a clean inverse or a clean fair value gap, I'm not entering anything. That might be low of day. Because we did take out London, so we're gonna open a 15-minute bearish gap down. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I mean, this is kind of ugly right now, so I'm gonna see you guys later. We'll see if we take a trade. I want to actually, I'm gonna take some back, but I want to take an actual trade. But I don't like price action. I'm not trading. So I'll see you guys. Hi everybody. Um, I didn't take a trade today, and honestly, like, what am I supposed to take here? I was looking for longs here, and like in the moment, I wanted to see price tap into this imbalance. But in hindsight, like this is like a breakaway gap, and like you literally could have entered right on that the close of the candle and targeted. I think there was a 15-minute fair value gap that you could have targeted right here. You could have targeted that for 33 points. And it was honestly kind of almost like high. Sassy pants. Uh, ES is at that Asia low. Um, I'm looking. What time frame is that? 15-minute. I'm like, why? We had an SMT right at market open. Shorts didn't look bad here at New York Open, but there was just not really an entry. At least on the 1 minute. I know people took trades on the 15 second and the 30 second. I think I'm like, dude, ugh. But besides that long, which I waited for a tap of the fair value gap, which we never got because it's kind of like a breakaway. So, besides that, I mean, I don't really see anything. I mean, maybe you took a long here on this inverse and you caught, I don't know how many points that is, 20 something, and then kind of like I really don't think that there's anything here. Like this is just kind of ugly. So I'm gonna come back in the PM session, probably around like I don't know. Like I'm gonna look like here and there for the rest of the day, but if we're bouncing in between this kind of range, then I'm not trading. Unless like we get like a V-shaped recovery like down here, maybe I'll shoot along. But we have like relative equal lows down here with this. This is like perfect equal lows. Holy shit. We could call this sell side. I don't know where this is on there. I mean, ES is all the way down at Asia low, so NQ's not. And then we're creating just like a lot of low resistance liquidity here. Like this is all low. This is all just low resistance liquidity. You know, the like this high, this high, this high, this high, that high. So I don't know. We'll see. I don't really feel like I missed out on anything now. So I'm gonna see you guys. If I don't see you guys again, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow CPI, PPI, PPI. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna see you guys later.